In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animations and transitions on Google Slides using your iPhone or Android device. Adding animations and transitions can really bring your presentations to life, making them more engaging and dynamic. So, whether you're preparing for a school project, a business presentation, or a personal slideshow, these tips and tricks for 2025 are here to help. So, let's dive in. First, on your mobile device, you'll want to open a web browser and navigate to Google Slides. Simply type Google Slides into your search engine and it should be the first link that pops up. Once there, you'll need to sign in to your Google account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and input your email and password. If you don't have a Google account, now's a good time to create one as it's needed for using Google Slides and all its features. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Google Slides homepage. Now, this is the main hub where you can access all your past presentations and create new ones. To get started, click on the option that says blank presentation. By choosing a blank presentation, you'll have a fresh slate to work on and won't be distracted by pre-made designs or content. It's a great way to focus on learning the new feature you're about to add. With your blank slide ready, look towards the menu at the top and find the Insert option. It's typically next to File and Edit. Tap on Insert and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, find and click on Animation. This will open up the animation options for the objects on your slide. You might notice that animations are a fantastic way to emphasize important points or add a bit of flair to your presentation elements. Now take a look at Object Animations. When you click on this, you can choose to apply different animations to the objects on your slide, such as text boxes, images, or shapes. You can make them fade in, zoom, spin, slide, or any other available animation options. Adjust the settings as needed to control the sequence, timing, and speed of your animations. You'll be able to preview how these animations will appear when the slide is presented, so don't hesitate to make adjustments that best suit the flow of your presentation. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to add animations and transitions to your Google Slides right from your iPhone or Android device. Remember, playing around with these features can really enhance your presentation, ensuring that your audience remains captivated from start to finish. So, go ahead, experiment, and have fun bringing your slides to life. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your upcoming presentations.